Hello mga Adas, I am Ada Charese. So for this video, please spare me some time as I will discuss and share to you my thoughts about this question. How to manage online work and online class at the same time? Yes, that's very rampant nowadays. That question is very rampant nowadays. So having this both is not easy. But before we go into further details about this question, let me share to you the pros and cons or the disadvantage or advantage of online work and online class. So the first one is online class. Online class is having a flexible time. That's one advantage of having a online class. And at the same time, you will do the stuffs that we can't do during class hours when in terms of face-to-face classes. And at the same time, we can be able to help our parents in household chores. We don't need to wake up early in the morning just to take a bath, and aside from that, we don't suffer from traffic or transportation. And let's proceed to the cons or the disadvantage of online class. In my case, it's really difficult for me to deal with self-study based on my experience. I really have a difficulty in understanding the topics that just posted in our LMS, particularly internet problems, knowing that I am just using prepaid SIM. There is this one time that we have our oral recitation, and it was my turn to answer, but unfortunately I got disconnected due to loss of data balance, and also the electricity interruptions. So let's move on to the pros or the advantage of online work. Same thing with online class. The advantage of online work is you have a flexible time with your family. It's just similar to online class. But the difference of the two is in online work, specifically, you'll get paid by just having fun with your family, or if you're in the office, you're just having fun with your co-workers. So let's move on to the cons of online work, or the disadvantage of online work. It's just similar with online class also. The internet problems or electricity interruptions, whenever they mukuan sila kanang naay mo kanang interrupt or internet problems ba ngana. And also kanang aside from that, the task issues, unclear task assignments, having misunderstanding with your co-workers, or you can be able to kanang reach quota. In addition to that, you would have a hectic schedule combined with daily distractions. In short, we need to be a multitasker. Aside from that, you become a procrastinator, literally, and that's my biggest enemy. But in this field, you will learn how to be responsible, and you will boost up your self-reliance. And also, you will learn what time really is, how precious it is, and you will think of not wasting time. And for the fact that you're in a good environment, plus you have a kind-hearted boss, it's such a blessing. Actually, we're not just employees here, we are family. So, to think that you are a online class student, makahuna-huna ka og kanang magtrabaho jud online work para makatabang kasi mong parents. It's really nice to lend money to your parents knowing that it came from your hardships. You can feel better than happiness. I know that there are a lot of students out there who are just like me, trying their very best just to be called a good role model. But we can't deny the fact that we commit mistakes. but don't make that as a reason for you to give up. Conclude that as a lesson for you to become stronger and wiser. Don't put yourself into situation that could make you regretful. So that's all for today. Hopefully, mga adas, you will store it in your minds, whatever learnings you have been taking in this video. And if so, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be more updated in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much, mga adas. This is Charese, your vlogger for today. And if you have suggestion or comment regarding this question, don't forget to comment down below and let's make it work. Bye-bye!